Hey, guys, did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can have a monumental impact on your health and the environment? Stay tuned to find out how eating plant-based for just 1 week changed my life. Welcome back to my channel, where today I'll be sharing my experience of going plant-based for a week. I never imagined the profound effect it would have on me, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Before diving into my week of plant-based eating, let's address some common misconceptions and challenges many people face when considering this lifestyle change. From concerns about protein intake to worries about boring meals, there's a lot to unpack. Many people fear they'll miss out on their favorite foods or feel unsatisfied, but the reality might surprise you. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of my plant-based week. I meticulously planned my meals, discovered delicious recipes, and documented how I felt each day. Spoiler alert, it was a roller coaster of emotions, cravings, and surprises. I tried a variety of dishes, from hearty breakfasts to satisfying dinners, and even found some incredible snacks that kept me energized throughout the day. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the key benefits I experienced during my plant-based journey. Drumroll, please. I was blown away by my increased energy levels, improved digestion, and overall sense of well-being. It was truly life-changing. Not to mention, I felt lighter and more focused, which was a huge bonus. And get this, my skin even started to clear up. In conclusion, the impact of eating plant-based for a week was far beyond what I could have imagined. I feel like a new person, both physically and mentally. The benefits are undeniable, and I'm so grateful for this eye-opening experience. The variety and richness of plant-based foods left me excited to continue exploring this lifestyle. I challenge you, my amazing viewers, to try a plant-based week for yourselves. Share your experiences, recipes, and thoughts in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make positive changes for our health and the planet. And don't forget to check the description for a link to my detailed meal plans and favorite recipes that made my journey so much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.